Hi, it's Kaz here from Affiliate Success Girl, and I'm here with video tutorial number 2 on the article submitting software, Automatic Article Submitter. And so in video 2, we're going to be looking at setting up a pen name and creating accounts for the directories in order to submit our articles. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to pen names, and I'm going to hit plus, and this will give us the dialog box here to fill out all of the details. Now, you do need to fill out all of these details because you will find that some of the article directories are a bit picky, and if you don't have all of the address fields completed, for example, then your account may not be approved. So what I would do is go through here. Now, the default email is really important. The email that you're going to use to submit your articles, I recommend, and so does the maker of this software, that you don't use your normal everyday email address for that, because you're going to end up getting spammed from the directories. A lot of the directories, unfortunately, when you register them with them, they make you agree to receiving their information, and then they send you a lot of junk. So what I generally do is I set up a specific account for article submissions. So I usually set up an email which is articles at. So I'm going to set up one for articles at Affiliate Success Girl. And then in your password field, I recommend that you do have something with letters and numbers, because also some article directories, they'll knock back your submission if it doesn't have sort of numbers in the password field. So that's just another trick. So we'll go through and fill out all of these fields. Okay, so I've completed all of my fields here, and then I hit OK, and my new account gets set up over here. So the next thing we need to do is go over to the accounts section, select the pen name that we want to use, and what you'll see then, when you select a pen name, you'll see all the logins and passwords for the relevant article directories for that name. Now obviously we don't have any set up because this is a new pen name, so we don't have any accounts set up at all. But if you've been submitting articles already using an account, you can actually go and set up, you can use the same account, as long as you're using the same email address, you can then just fill in the login and password for them all. So just so I've already been submitting under this articles at Affiliate Success Girl, and I've already got an account for One Article World, I could just go and put my login details here, and say OK, and it will complete my login details there. So I can just manually go and update those. Now, if you don't have any, this software makes it really easy to just go and do a mass registration, which is pretty cool, but a little bit scary sometimes, I must admit. Now, we are going to go ahead and do our mass registration here. So the first thing that I need to do before I go and do my mass register, and you can see the mass register button there, is I need to actually go and set up this email address, which I haven't actually done yet. So here I am in Bluehost, and I'm just going to make this new account. So here's my articles at Affiliate Success Girl. I'm just going to enter a password for it. Pretty weak, but nevertheless I'm going to do it. Okay, so we've created a new email address. There it is there, articles at affiliatesuccessgirl.com. And we're going to initiate the mass registration process. So this feature will create accounts at article directory sites completely automatically. It will try to register on all the sites where complete automation is possible using the details you've filled in. It's recommended that you do not use an email you read emails from for auto registrations. That's what we were saying before, so I'm going to say OK. So then Automatic Article Submitter is going off, and it's trying to, using the details that I created for the pen name, and it's going to try and create accounts in all of these article directories, and that takes a little while. I just thought I'd come back and show you how this works while it's still going. It's still got a little bit to go. You can see it's running through all of the directories here on the left, and it's trying to register. And it's saying whether it's registered, or if, you know, sometimes you register for something and they send you a confirmation link to your email, and then it'll tell you here, confirmation request email sent to your email address. Email confirmation link sent to the email address. Registered, failed. You'll get a few fails in there. And to be honest with you, there are so many article directories here that the ones that fail, unless they are ezine articles, article base, article dashboard, you know, some of the bigger ones, I don't even care about the failed ones. I don't even worry about them. I will go and check though. I've got a list of sort of, you know, 5 to 10 article directories that I want to make sure that I've got an account for. And so if that does fail, I'll go and check those 10. And if they fail in here, I'll go and sort them out manually. Okay, so now that it's completed, what you want to do is, just when you thought, oh gosh, I'm going to have to go and sort out all those account confirmation emails, blah, blah, you don't have to. You've got a button here that says account confirmation. So when I click that, I get this dialog here, which is the account confirmer. I go and set up my details for the email account. And make sure I've got the right mail servers. Get it to check the settings. Okay, settings are correct. Now what this does is it goes and gets all the email from that account. And this is why it's a good idea to set up a brand new account if you're going to do a mass registration. Because what you can get it to do is delete all the mails from the email server after it's done the confirmations. And you can get it to save a copy to an emails directory just in case. What it's going to do, it's going to go and fetch all the mail that's in that account. So this is why you don't use your everyday one, because it'll go and get all of the emails from all of your account, including anyone that anyone sent you that's not related to article directories. So this is why we set up the brand new account. As I said, that's a really important step. So we're going to let it go off, get all these emails, and what it's then going to do is we're going to hit this button that says confirm these links now, and it'll go and do the confirmation links in each of those. Now obviously some of those won't work, some of them will fail, and you'll get messages here to let you know which ones fail, and then you can go and sort them out manually yourself. Okay, so now it says done. It's got everything, it's got all my emails, and I'm going to confirm these links now, and it's going to go off and do the confirmation links on all of those emails for me. Righto, so all of the links have been confirmed, and if we go through the logs and things, we can work out which ones have failed, which ones haven't. But to be honest with you, I just usually head over here and have a look. So as you can see, it's completed all of the details for all of the article directories. So this is telling us all of the article directories that we've now got accounts to, and as you can see, it's managed to be successful on quite a few, which is great. So what I'll do now is I'll go sift through here and find my sort of 10 or so article directories that I'm very keen on ensuring I've got an account for, and if I haven't, I will go and manually set up that account myself and then enter the details in through here. And that's pretty much the process of getting your pen name and your account set up. And then after that, we're all ready to go with creating a site group is our next video tutorial. So I'll see you then. Kaz here again. I just wanted to make a little addition to the video. Ezine Articles is probably the most important article directory that you want to submit to, and our automatic or our mass registration process has not completed a registration for Ezine Articles. So I just want to let you know, if you come over here, select Ezine Articles and then hit the register button, it'll load up the site for you. It'll pre-complete the details as best it can from your pen name details, and then you will need to just manually go through and complete those details. So as you can see, I've completed the details, I've hit register, and bang, I'm in, I've got an account set up. So I would now just put in my details over here. So my username, my login username and password there. So there I am. Actually, if I hit fill in details, it fills in the default details, which I've used for the registration. So there you go, there's my Ezine Articles one completed. Okie doke, thanks.